Morning everybody. The focus of our video today is all around our arithmetic and our fluency understanding. In your home learning packs, I put in there 10 quizzes, all based around the key topics that you would need to be confident with from year 5 going into year 6. So hopefully you've had an opportunity to have a go at some of those fluency type questions, and the answers for them were at the bottom of your home learning packs. If you haven't had a chance to go on any of them yet, please have a go. But I also wanted to show you another free website that would support your fluency and your arithmetic learning, especially going into year 6. It is quite an important focus, and it's called myminimaths.co.uk. So this is a completely free website, and as you can see from the top bar there, it's not only for year 5s, but it's for year 3s, 4s, 5s and 6s. So if you've got any younger brothers or sisters in year 3s or 4 or going into year 3 or 4, definitely point them in the right direction. This might support them as well. Okay, so when you go onto this website, you scroll down, you'll be able to see there's a number of aspects and core resources. So you can go into the mini maths fluency questions. There's some tutorial videos that if you're not sure about certain concepts, that they'll be able to tutor you through those. You've got what's called intelligent questioning, which is more of your reasoning and your mastery type questions. So applying that fluency understanding to maybe a real life problem. And there's also some new home learning video resources there as well. So you could choose between any of those 4 resources. But I just wanted to show you what's available for the year 5 resources. So as you can see, when you scroll on down, you've got different weeks, and each week is focusing on a certain topic. So, and then within that topic, you've got your 4 different core resources that you can choose from and select, and the answers are there available for you for all of them. Okay, so if you wanted to search for something specifically that you notice that you're maybe struggling with in particular through those home learning packs, you'll be able to search for that. So if I put in percentages, and then up comes the week of 9, where it concentrates on fractions, decimals and percentages, and it gives you some fluency type questions, and it also gives you some home learning tasks as well. Okay, so if I clicked on one of these, I've already got it loaded because my computer's very slow. So if you clicked on one of the home learning, it gives you some questions. So on one side, it gives you the questions that's related to your fractions, decimals and percentages. So they're wanting you to convert 76% into a fraction, which you should be able to do now confidently because of Miss Perry's video from last week. And if you haven't seen that, she's got a fraction and decimal and percentage video on there to support you. So just wanting to convert that into a fraction and into a decimal, which you should be able to do. Okay. And then they also give you some questions to relate to the other types of topics, just to keep you fresh, to keep that fresh in your head. And then if you completed those, you could scroll down and it gives you your answers. Okay, so that's a really nice resource, and for your year 5, you'll be able to choose a variety of topics for that, and you can just go back and select them. Okay, another thing that you might want to push yourself towards, if you're feeling really confident with some of the year 5 topics, you might choose to go into year 6. So year 6 arithmetic target questions. Now some of these are year 5 related, so you definitely should be able to access them. But again, they have tutorial videos, can't get that word out. If you go into the type of question, so here's your different topics again. So you've got your addition, you've got your addition of fractions, you've got some missing numbers, you've got addition of and subtraction of decimals. So lots of different topics. If you selected one of these topics, so the questions underneath, you'll be able to see that it will purely just give you those questions repeatedly, those types of questions repeatedly. And then if you're unsure about anything, you've got your video there you can click on and have a look at. Okay, so just repeatedly going over the same types of questions, okay, over and over again, and there's lots of them, and then obviously you have your answers at the end. So that might be something you want to have a little go at. Unfortunately, it's not interactive, so you can't do it on the screen and select your answers, but you can certainly, you don't need to print them out, you can just write them on a piece of paper and then you can check your answers at the end when you're confident with it. So have a go, and remember to tell maybe younger brothers or sisters about it, or friends around different schools. All right, hope you're all keeping well and safe. Bye for now.